Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Sally Hansen Cuticle Rehab Oil Balm. This product retails for $10. You can find this product on Amazon. I found mine at a local vendor's mall for only $1. What a steal! You get 6 grams of product, cute and convenient packaging. The lid snaps on, so there's no fear of it coming off in your purse. Perfect for on the go or travel. The product twists up. It has a very light rose scent. It's so faint. Barely a scent at all, but it is there. This is a multi-purpose solid oil that provides instant relief for rough, dry cuticles on the go. This cuticle oil balm is infused with aloe, safflower oil, and vitamin E oil. Instantly helps protect cuticles from cracking and feels moisturizing, fast absorbing, instantly healthier looking nails and cuticles that feel rejuvenated and deeply moisturized. And 80% of the users agree their nails look conditioned after 1 week of use. Those are all claims on the packaging. It also has directions of how to use this product to gently smooth over your nails and cuticles and other dry areas. Massage oil in. Can be used over nail polish and other dry areas on your hand. Applied daily for best results. I'm going to quickly go over the importance of using a cuticle oil. You would use a cuticle oil on your cuticles and nails to keep them moisturized, healthy, and hydrated, which helps prevent dryness, splitting, and cracking of your nails and cuticles. If you keep your cuticles moisturized, it promotes nail growth because applying cuticle oil on your cuticles can increase circulation around your nails, which can stimulate nail growth. Cuticle oils help protect your manicure, helps keep your nails flexible, and keeping your skin hydrated helps your manicure last longer, and it helps prevent peeling and chipping. Now on to my experience, my thoughts on this product. I love the convenient stick form, the snap-on lid, and the cute pink packaging. I appreciate the very light scent of rose, because usually rose gives me a headache, but this is very light, very faint. This product is extremely easy to use. I love how fast the cuticle oil balm absorbs into the skin. So 3 to 5 minutes and that oil is fully absorbed. No oily residue left behind. I always feel that when I apply oils, I can't touch anything. 3 to 5 minutes is really quick and I love that. You can apply the oil balm to any dry spots that you have, even over nail polish, which you saw in this review. Very moisturizing formula. My cuticles and my hands look and feel amazing after using the Sally Hansen Cuticle Oil Balm. This formula is a soft, creamy balm texture, and when it's warmed up on the skin, turns oily. The stick does take damage because the product is so soft, but the stick retains its shape. So you'll see like little lines and stuff in the balm, but the stick still remains its form. Cuticle oils and balms are products that you have to use consistently to see the best results. That is always going to be true. Try to get into the habit of oiling your cuticles every night before bed, every morning when you get up. Just try to make a habit of it and you will see dramatic changes in how your nails are, strength, any damage they may have, the longevity of your manicure. So many benefits to consistently using an oil or a balm on your cuticles. So I really enjoyed the Sally Hansen Cuticle Oil Balm. I find it was really nice. I love the product. My favorite thing about it is how fast it absorbs into the skin and its soft, creamy balm texture. Super nice. So definitely recommend this product. I hope that you found the review helpful. Maybe you will try this product out for yourselves. If you have any other comments, questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more reviews. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.